So we are fortunate to be joined by Harry Goto today. Harry, welcome to Fujitsu North America. In North America, we see there's two types of manufacturers. One is existing manufacturers with existing facilities, and they would like to improve and optimize what they do. Then we also see it's the new manufacturers who's building new facilities in North America. What is the key offerings we are taking to our existing manufacturers and also the new manufacturers?
Key offerings spread out into various areas. In factory, we have our own production preparation solution, namely FJBPS, to simulate production process before starting the production. Also, in manufacturing execution area, we are partnering with SAP to provide SAP Digital Manufacturing Cloud to manage the entire production process itself. In digital supply chain area, we have our own IP to optimize the planning of the factory as well as to manage the entire budget and PSI planning. So we provide the end-to-end solution for supply chain from early stage of the planning towards shop floor planning.
Is there any specific offerings that Fujitsu bring to our customers? So, such as OT security, and I know there's a lot of manufacturers who's not connected at the moment, so any connectivity services. Is there anything that we bring for these customers?
In particular for manufacturing shop floor, what we can bring is to provide the connectivity of the shop floor, to connect all the facilities and equipment on the shop floor to get all the digital data on the cloud, and also to manage those data aggregated from shop floor securely. We do provide the OT security, including OT security assessment service as well as OT management service, to make sure all the data you aggregated are security managed and controlled.
So when it comes to OT security, what solutions do we have in place and how long does it take to engage with a customer?
The usual exercise on this OT security is first to visit your own facility to see how it's currently organized. The normal exercise is to visit them for a week or so to see how they are currently organized, where the risk is, and what the room to improve it is. We will bring those information back to our expert team to organize a kind of advisory service to provide a better way to manage the security. Then we can provide the full range of the OT management service to look at it, monitor it, and manage issues raised from there.
If I can summarize what we offer to our customers, so we first look at connectivity. Is your factory connected? So we offer a connectivity solution. Once it's connected, we protect it. So we've got an OT security solution. So we connect it, then we protect it. Then we pull the data and we analyze the data and let's say sanitize the data. We put it into an MES platform where we then consume the data, and then we take this data and we optimize how we operate. So typically what we see is if a manufacturer is running at 50% OEE, we can typically get that up to about 75%, if I'm correct, by just understanding what is on the shop floor, how it's organized, and connecting it all together.
That's correct. And also, in addition to OEE type of the KPIs, we do have the knowledge of what the KPIs in general should be managed on the shop floor. So based upon ISO 22400 standard, we do have the full range of the visualization dashboard supported by our own data model. So whatever your priority KPIs are, including OEE, we can provide the advisor service and visualization service and optimization service to make your KPIs better.
I want to talk about product design. When it comes to product design, many stakeholders are typically involved, and we see issues such as information and processes not properly managed. What is Fujitsu doing to help our customers mitigate these kind of challenges?
Product design is a very complicated business process for manufacturing. From early stage of the product concept, followed by detailed design in engineering, to create engineering bill of material, manufacturing bill of material, bill of process, down to the shop floor management, is always a difficult process to make it optimized. To organize this connected process, we are closely working with Siemens to provide Teamcenter as product lifecycle management system, as well as ServiceNow to manage the entire product design process. We also have our own IP to organize this process by leveraging our own experience in manufacturing.
So when it comes to ServiceNow, we have engineering chain management, supply chain management, and manufacturing value chain. So Fujitsu won the RISE 2024 Partner of the Year award last week. How are we using ServiceNow to help our customers in product design?
We are closely working with ServiceNow to introduce their solutions onto our offerings. In engineering chain area, we are introducing their strategic portfolio management offering into our digital engineering accelerator offering. Also, in supply chain management area, we are introducing ServiceNow source-to-pay solution onto our offering as well. That's how we are closely working with ServiceNow in our engineering accelerator program.